Poetry for Pets and All Animals by Birdman Vegan Future. Life is to be loved, not just lived. We all have lots of love to give. We listen to your hearts. But at what age did you stop or start not caring? Just because we are not part of your family doesn't mean we don't matter. Dogs on death row because so many shop rather than adopt. If I could talk, I would ask, why not love me like them? We may not meow or bark, burf, 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 but we all fart. We do talk via songs, chirping, clucks, oink oink, moo, or ba. But too bad so few people even listen to our cries and screams from our hearts. All we see and feel is the dark, hot and cold, smelly stench like a million farts in factory farms. Look at us in the eye like a mirror and ask yourself why. Why must millions just like me must die and need to endlessly suffer just because of your supper? So please choose kindly so no body needs to lose our lives. Matter to us too. Lots of pain with little to gain. Caring is cool. Not caring is mean and rude. Sharing is caring. So please share meetvideo.com and mercyforanimals.org. Please don't take our abuses and lives or plight too lightly. Vote with your purchases. Help us escape these prisons. Barns are replaced by factory farms and lies. Suffering in silence, out of sight, out of mind. We fly, swim and run, but don't want to have to be scared and run away from you. And now I'll share some collages of animal pictures. You can pause to read at your own leisure. And listen to the sounds of nature and animals in the background. Like psychology and social work. Breathe in slowly and exhale slowly. Don't get defensive out of guilt. Social work and psychology. Feel your toes, listen, show compassion. Bear witness to their suffering. Don't look away. Meet.org. Watch it so you know the truth and can be empowered to change and motivated. It's not easy for you, but it's much harder on them. You can be a superhero and save lives every day. Thank you for watching. Please share if you care. Meetvideo.com by mercyforanimals.org.